Hi guys, and welcome back to my channel. I'm cutting my own hair. Now listen, I am actually a class higher than the people that cut their hair impulsively on YouTube because I've done it before many times. Not saying I'm a professional, but I have experience. There's a difference. My shirt is see-through. Who cares? Okay, so don't demonetize me, holy shit, YouTube. I have been trying to grow my hair out for like a year now. It used to be pretty short. The problem with my hair is that it's very thin, like baby fine, thin hair. It doesn't necessarily look good. You know what I'm saying? I'm just gonna cut it. Yes, I do have a lot going on in my life. We don't have to go there. This is not gonna solve the fact that I am having a quarter life crisis part 2. Let's look at it one last time. Here's the back. I know, it's stringy as I think my dog just took a shit. Hold on. Don't shake. What? Oh! Why does it smell like shit? God, it smells terrible. Oh, I can like taste it. Little life hack, when your dog takes a shit in your house, just use Ariana Grande perfume to mask it. It works great. I'm gonna start by brushing my hair. So I'm gonna take my hair and put it in a low ponytail. Dolce, you scared the shit out of me. What are you doing? This video is not going well. Dolce, why are you causing problems? Dolce, tell the audience why this video is shit. Will you be good? Be good? Okay, go be good. All right, oh, now I have a weird neckline. Like, what is that? All right, can this video f***ing start? It's been 10 minutes and I haven't done shit. I'm gonna loosen it a little bit right here. I'm gonna take another hair tie and kind of, why are you running?
Why are you running? Why are you running?
So I'm gonna take another hair tie and go like on the ponytail and just decipher how long I want this thing. When my hair's in a ponytail, I want it decently short. Holy shit, that's a lot to cut. Let's start here and just see what it looks like. Yeah, I'm just gonna cut this. Wait, I need to fix my neckline. I don't wanna look like a freaking mom. Sorry. Oh my God, it's falling out. Why is nothing going right? Good thing cutting my hair will fix everything. Seriously? Hi, and welcome back to my life. Dolce! Get over here! Stop it! Hi, and welcome back to My Life is a Joke. So anyway, I'm just gonna cut like that much. I know this is a very like not respectable amount. Like I know that this is me being like a pussy, but I don't really care because I want to take it slow. So yeah, let's just do it. Like I don't care. Let's just do it. All right, guys. Here's the clickbait. I hate my life. There is no turning back at this point. Let's cut it. What am I doing? Why am I doing this? My dog is chewing my towel that is under me. Holy f***. Okay, wow, it's already so much healthier. I cut off this much. This is literally like the tiniest piece of someone normal's hair, but I have no f***ing hair. It's actually pretty soft, like I'm not gonna lie. I would sell this. Who would buy this? Like seriously, what is my problem? Is this clickbait? Like should I go like I don't care. Now, I'm gonna take my hair. I missed short hair so much. Like, I'm actually so happy. So now I'm gonna go and cut like down the middle of my part and put it into little sections on the side and cut again, just so that it's a little more even. I hope that makes sense. But basically, I'm just gonna recut it. It is so cute. Like, are you f***ing kidding me? I look cuter with short hair, like I'm sorry, I do. So now I'm gonna go in and cut a little more because I honestly want like short hair, not like Dora short, but like decently short, you know, like maybe another inch. I'm just gonna cut all this. That was the worst cut ever. How do I feel right now? I don't really know. Like, I actually have no idea. Is it bad that I just don't care? Like, I'm just cutting him like whatever. So there's that. This is so precious. Are you kidding? No shorter though. Like, I swear I'll have a meltdown if I cut any shorter. Now I'm gonna put it in a ponytail on this side and do the same thing. Wow, I have no regrets at all right now. We gotta make it somewhat even. I don't really know how to do that. I'm just gonna cut like right here and hope for the best. All right, I'm literally cutting like such a baby right now. Like that. It's so short. I'm actually in love already. I'm gonna go tie it all in the front now, like how I used to do in elementary school and like try to be funny. This is the thumbnail. And I'm just gonna cut anything that's like crazy long. See, like I'm just gonna cut that. So far, so good. Let's see the back because it's gonna be hideous. Expect it to look like shit. Here we go. Now, I don't know what it looks like, but it probably looks like shit. I'm gonna go and section off my hair to create this. I don't know, like, it's a section of hair. Yo, short hair is so much better. Like, even this. Are you kidding? No one speak to me. Yeah, this is the look. I'm so happy I did this. Like, holy it's not even done yet, and I'm like, wow, my life has changed. And we're gonna make sure it's even first. So we're gonna go in and go like this and just try our best to make it look even and go in like this and cut anything weirdly long. Yo, why is it like not bad? Am I crazy? By the way, Cameron's coming over to help me like even it out if it actually doesn't look good. But so far, it is so cute. Even this ugly ass hairstyle that I would never wear in public, I look adorable. Okay, I actually feel like I'm glowing. Like any guy that tries to talk to me, like they're just gonna get denied. Let's go in and do another section. Dolce's chewing something behind me and I don't want to disturb her because she'll start being crazy again. So I'm sorry if that's distracting. This video wasn't meant to be good, so sorry. You went to my channel, so I don't really know. She's literally like eating the wall. Anyway, you see how it's like a little longer, like that next section's like a little longer than the rest? I'm gonna fix that. This is very non-precise, but I'm just gonna go in and cut these. This is so freaking cute. This is the perfect length. Like it's short, but not like I don't look like Dora. Like I didn't want to look like Dora and I don't. Now I'm gonna do this side. You know, this side's actually not bad. Like it's actually pretty even already. What the f? Dolce, hi mama. Come say hi. Say hi. Dolce is prettier than me. Let me tie it together again. And then lastly, let's do the top section. Even that is so cute. Like it's so, what's the word? I don't know, like, it just moves, like, it's so cute. This looks so good. I'm done. I don't regret it at all. I don't know if you guys knew, but I don't regret it. This is where you have to be a little more precise. So I'm gonna go in and once again, cut the pieces that are like way too long, which there's not really that many, to be honest. I literally have, you could count like 15 hairs. I don't have hair. So now what I'm gonna do is go and kind of do like layering, I guess. But I'm gonna go in like this and make sure this is even to some extent. And by some extent, I mean cut off like 15 more hairs. Then I'm gonna do the same on this side. 15 hairs. I'm gonna go in, make sure these are even. See? Why was this so easy? I know it probably isn't like perfect, but like it kind of is supposed to look like not done. I don't know, maybe I'm crazy. But here's the back as of now. I don't know what it looks like. Don't roast me in the comments. Cameron's gonna come and make sure that it's like somewhat good because he can cut a straight line, thank God. It looks f***ing cute. I don't regret it at all. And yeah, I'm probably gonna go take some pictures and go tell everyone that I did this because like no one knows. And no, I'm not one of those bitches who's like, well, tomorrow I have an appointment. Like, no, I don't have an appointment. Like, this is my doing. Let's see what it looks like in a ponytail because that's like the cutest part about short hair. It looks adorable in a ponytail. Are you kidding? Are you kidding me? It's so freaking adorable. No one talk to me ever again. Like, it looks so good. Okay, I'm gonna shut up now because you probably want to punch me in the face. Thanks for watching. Don't do this at home if you don't trust yourself. Don't watch this and be like, okay, I'm gonna go cut my hair, and then your mom like slaps you for doing that. Do it if you are somewhat of an adult or you have permission. Like, I don't want to be a bad role model. If you want hair like this, just go to the hair salon. I only do this because I'm psychotic. I will cut back in with more hair clips when it's more fixed. And I might vlog with Cameron, so who knows, this part might not even go in the video. Okay, peace.